Hi, lovely people. How are you? Make sure you leave down in the comment section how your day is going. So, if you read from the title, we are going to be unboxing a new subscription to this channel. And this is Medea. I almost said Medea. Oh my God. You know the character Medea. This is Medusa's makeup. So this is the summer swag box. So this is the May 2019. This was kindly sent to me. This is $16.95 a month. And this is all cruelty-free and vegan. And you get between 3 to 4 full-size items. So that's definitely exciting. So let's open her up and see, is it worth the $16.95 a month? Let's see. All right, so this is what it looks like when you open her up. Okay, let's see. All right, so that's what it looks like. You get 4 things for May. It says, are you a love birdie? 10% off, love birdie. Okay, so it's just a little postcard. All right, the summer swag box. So like I said, this is the May 2019, cruelty-free and vegan, which I love. And the total value for this month is $44. So you get a card that tells you what everything is in the box. And it says June will be festival box party. July is the heat is on. These are the themes. And then August is the birthday box. All right, so we have the summer swag box. So the first thing is this sun-kissed bronzer. And this is Medusa's makeup, so this is all their products. So I definitely like that. Where is my thingy? Let's take the tape off and see. I've been really getting into bronzers lately. I used to love blush, but now I kind of like bronzer more than blush. But my problem is all the bronzers have like orangey tone, and I don't like that. All right, so this is what it looks like. So it's a decent amount. And it's darker in person. Right now it's kind of looking a little bit lighter. So let's do a little swatch. I can get this thing open. How the hell do you open it? Okay, there we go. So that's what it looks like. Let's do a swatch. All right, this might be a little orangey. Like I said, it's darker brown in person. The camera is really making it look orangey. All right, so that's what it looks like. So let's just see if you can blend it out. Oh yeah, you can definitely blend it out, but it does give an orangey look to it that I'm not too fond of. You see, you can definitely blend that out. Let's see. Yeah. So it's not bad once you blend it out. I'll definitely have to try it on and then see how it is, you know. It looks like it'll match me, but like I said, I don't know until I try it on. So, all right, so we got a bronzer, which I think is great. And then we have, looks like an eyeshadow. This is like a bluish purple color. All right. Come on in. Let me know, have you guys ever tried Medusa's makeup? Have you tried the subscription box? It's always a little bit more expensive when it's an indie brand and when you make your own makeup, you know? All right, so there we go. Oh, that's really, really pretty. This is like a purplish blue. Oh God, that's so pretty. Look at that. Okay, let's put it right here. Oh, that's pretty. That is gorgeous. Let's swatch that again. It's definitely buildable. Let's see. This is a matte. It's a matte blue, and that is just gorgeous. I love the fact that it is buildable, and it definitely blends out. I'm just seeing how much it blends out right now. So it definitely blends out, which I like. This is really, really pretty. I do like that a lot. So far, I'm liking everything. All right, then we have, what is this? This is a lip paint. Right there. What color is it? You know what? I'm not even looking. Let's see if this says the shade here. All right, so this is a matte eyeshadow in Martinique. So that was that color, this purplish blue. And the bronzer is Sun-Kissed bronzer. And all right, Sun-Kissed is usually like an orangey color. All right. So, ooh, that's pretty. Oh, that's really pretty. Let me see if I can undo it. This is in the color Shag. know if I showed you that. It doesn't give me prices, like if like separate prices if you wanted to get that. All right, so the applicator is like a very small doe foot. Oh, that's pretty. This is like a cream lipstick. That's really pretty. I do like that a lot. It's definitely opaque. All right. So we have that. And last but not least is this Life's a Beach Sea Kelp and Aloe Hydrating Face Spritzer. So let me spray it because the mister is the... Okay, so that looks like a little... I don't know if you guys can see. Let's see if you could... Let me just put this up here. This is from another... You guys can see the spray. Let me see. Oh, well, that's hard. I don't care for that so much, but if I like the formula, I will put it in another bottle. So that doesn't bother me too much. It's kind of annoying when the spray is a little bit too boom. But if it's a good formula, then I honestly don't mind putting it in something else. So let's just see what we got. So we got the hydrating face spritzer. We have an eyeshadow. We have a lipstick and we have a bronzer. So that is everything in this summer swag box from Medusa's Makeup. I will leave everything you need to know down below, so make sure you check the description box. Let me know what you think of it. Now, it is, when I seen the price, $16.95, so oh my God, I'm dropping stuff. $17 is a little pricey for 4 things. And it says between 3 to 4 things you can get. But if you remember, when you're making it yourself, it will become a little bit more expensive, and it's cruelty-free and vegan, and usually the makeup is a little bit more expensive. It's just, is it worth $17, you know? I don't know. I'm going to play around with the makeup, and I will let you know I will pin a comment or in the description box what I think of the makeup. And that's everything. Let me know what you think of this subscription. Do you like it? Do you not? What do you think? Let me know the tea. And that's everything, guys. Please like this video because it really does help me out. And yeah, as always, I'll leave videos right here if you want to watch more of me. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.